drive in the city too?
Yeah, if you have it, if you have the FSD.
The last time you guys saw one of these.
Right.
Much better.
Say it.
That's because it was gonna be too much. It was gonna be too hard to get it in, dude. That thing was like 200 pounds. Yeah. It was crazy. Though. It was like a. She was like, oh.
We're trying some vintage dark chocolate.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is Joe. If I die.
Why didn't you cut past the gray layer?
Okay.
Squad. All the cabinets. All the cabinets in here. Bathroom. Pantry. All these cabinets in here were full. This room. That's staying. This room's clear. Clear. This room here. This here, this was all full. Master bedroom. Walk-in closet. This was all full. Yeah, almost done.
Because Mike, there's thorns on her, dude.
We're almost finished. Got all the pots and plants throughout the entire backyard. Everything that the customer wanted removed. Looks good. All right.